everyone, and welcome back to English Booster. I'm your warm host, Sunny, and I feel like singing jingle bells right now.
And I'm your co-host, Leo, who currently feels like a popsicle left on the street. It's absolutely freezing in here, Sunny. I think my nose is starting to run.
We're diving into the wonderful, yet sometimes wacky world of winter. Is it a winter wonderland or a winter blunderland?
Definitely blunderland. Look, I love the holidays, but winter itself is just a conspiracy to make us spend more money on heating. My electric bill is going to be through the roof.
That's a great phrase. Through the roof means increasing extremely fast. But Leo, think about the good parts. The fuzzy blankets, the hot cocoa, the fashion.
Fashion? You mean looking like a giant walking marshmallow because I have 7 layers on? I can barely bend my elbows. How am I supposed to look stylish?
You say you need to bundle up. That means to put on lots of layers. Don't just wear one jacket, Leo. Bundle up. It's all about strategic layering.
Okay, fine, I'll bundle up. But let's talk real winter problems. Snow shoveling. It's a literal workout I didn't sign up for. Last week I nearly slipped and fell right on my icy driveway.
Oh no, be careful. That brings us to our first set of useful expressions. Winter survival phrases. When you're extremely cold, you can say, I'm freezing my tail off. Try it, Leo.
Oh my gosh, I'm freezing my tail off. I can barely feel my toes. I think my fingers are numb.
Excellent use of numb. And if you see ice, you should warn someone. Watch out, it's slippery. Or mind the ice.
I should warn my wallet about the ice too, because if I slip, I'm going to need a new phone. Now, what about the inevitable winter illness? We all catch a cold.
Right. When you feel unwell, you can say, I'm feeling a little under the weather. And if it's serious, you might say, I woke up with a bad fever and a sore throat.
Ooh, sore throat, that's a good one. I often get a runny nose when I go outside. Speaking of outside, let's talk activities. Ice skating.
I love it. You can invite someone by saying, fancy going ice skating this weekend?
I'd love to, but I'm basically a newborn deer on ice. Last time I spent more time on my bottom than on my feet. I was totally wiped out afterwards.
Wiped out is a great expression, meaning completely exhausted. But winter isn't just about fun, it's about holiday stress. How do you talk about the rush?
It's crazy. Everyone is rushing to get their holiday shopping done before Christmas. I feel like I'm constantly fighting the crowds at the mall.
Exactly. And that leads us perfectly to our witty winter idiom segment. Let's start with one that sums up all that work. I'm snowed under.
Snowed under. Too much work, too many tasks. I'm snowed under with wrapping presents and making sure I didn't forget anyone.
Good use. Next, break the ice. We talked about this. Not smashing your windshield.
Right, starting a conversation. I tried to break the ice with the lady next to me at the grocery store by saying, wow, you look snowed under with groceries.
Leo, that was probably not the best way to break the ice. It might make her think you're a cold fish.
Oh no, a cold fish. That means someone who is unfriendly or unemotional, right? I am definitely not a cold fish. I am just terrible at small talk.
We know. Here's a new one. In the dead of winter.
Does that mean when winter is completely finished?
Nope. It means the coldest, darkest part of winter, usually January or February. We went skiing in the dead of winter, and it was -20.
-20? Yikes! That's when you need to bundle up and stay inside. That's what I call the dead of the electric bill.
You always bring it back to the electric bill. That's the perfect takeaway. Winter gives us so many phrases.
So remember, listeners, don't let learning English make you feel snowed under. Take it slow, keep practicing these funny phrases, and you'll break the ice in any conversation.
Wonderful. Remember, whether you love winter or hate it, practicing these new phrases daily will certainly boost your fluency.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go make some hot cocoa and find a warm blanket.
Fantastic advice, Leo. That's all the time we have for today on English Booster.
Keep practicing, keep boosting, and remember, small habits lead to big progress.
We'll catch you next time. Bye for now.
See ya.
That's all the time we have for today. Keep boosting your English skills